At Excel Language Center, we have two main courses that we teach. The first one is our Intensive English Language course. That is a 7-hour daily program conducted in the center and online. It includes 2 hours online speaking class, an hour of activity classes in the center, and 4 hours of structured learning. The speaking class is conducted online at 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. The activity class is conducted in the center daily from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. As for the 4-hour structural class, it is the class where the students study the book, which is the English file by Oxford, and there are 2 sessions for the structured learning. One is in the morning session from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. The other is the afternoon session from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. So all in total, 4-hour structural class, 1 hour of activity class, and 2 hours of online speaking class that totals up to 7 hours a day. The other course that we offer is the IELTS Preparation Course, which is a 2 hours daily class that includes teaching different activities and different exercises that are related to IELTS. We give the students mock exams, and we best prepare them to take out the IELTS exam with qualified and certified teachers with a lot of experience in teaching and preparing for IELTS that will guarantee a student at least a band 5 in their IELTS exam after only 1 month. I invite you all to join us at Excel Language Center to begin the first step of your English language journey.